It's going great. Welcome to Noida, and it's been a very thoughtful experience for me. So much to learn from all the leaders here. So much to learn from the presenters, and we value their time as well for coming and to give us a great knowledge about what are the values of UST are and how to one can be a servant leaders. So I'm a team lead. I'm part of the 3S GTM team, and we prepare content for all the sales and leadership team.
Absolutely.
So the very first framework from where we started about the reason why we want to be a servant leadership. So basically to influence everyone to be a better person than what we are right now. And we also learned about the 3-7-10 value framework. We understood about the VRC concept and what are the attributes that are there and how we can improve or showcase these attributes within the organization. As part of the Noida Center, my first role would be to encourage more and more people to volunteer for this program. And as part of my team, as part of my peers, I would showcase all those values. So to get more and more feedback, which can help me again to learn and improve myself in future. And that is the way forward to be one can be a servant leader within the team and within the organization.